Dear students, welcome to the next lecture of Inorganic Chemistry. In this lecture, we shall discuss about pseudohalogens and interhalogen compounds. The dimeric molecules which show considerable similarity to halogens are called pseudohalogens. Examples include cyanogen, thiocyanogen, selenocyanogen, acidocarbon disulfide, etc. If we consider the similarity of these pseudohalogens with halogens, both are volatile and gas at room temperature. Halogens and pseudohalogens are diatomic in free state. They form monobasic hydracids, and salts with heavy metals such as silver, mercury, etc. are insoluble in water. Pseudohalogens and halogens form similar coordination complexes. They react with alkali in same manner. Chlorine plus KOH gives KCl plus KOCl and water. Similarly, cyanogen gives KCN and KOCN and water when it reacts with KOH. Both halogens and pseudohalogens add to carbon-carbon double bonds and triple bonds. Halogens react with each other to form interhalogen compounds. Similarly, pseudohalogens react with halogens as well as other pseudohalogens to form different compounds. Example, Cl2 plus F2 gives ClF, that is an interhalogen compound. Similarly, Cl2 plus cyanogen gives ClCN. Cyanogen and thiocyanogen gives CnSCN compound. Halogens undergo thermal and photochemical dissociation in gas phase. And the radicals formed react with hydrogen radical to give corresponding acid. Hydrogen and chlorine in the presence of light or heat gives HCl. In the first step, Cl2 dissociates to form Cl radicals, and Cl radical reacts with H2 molecule to give HCl and hydrogen radical, and hydrogen radical again reacts with another molecule of Cl2 to give HCl and Cl radical, and this is a chain reaction. A very similar reaction is observed when hydrogen reacts with cyanogen in the presence of UV light or heat. Even though pseudohalogens show several similarities with halogens, there are some dissimilarities also. Pseudohalogens like cyanogen, thiocyanogen, etc. polymerize under suitable conditions, and such tendency is not observed for halogens. The hydracids of pseudohalogens are very weak, whereas the hydracids of halogens are strong acids. Pseudohalide ions act as ambidentate ligands, whereas there is no such possibility in the case of halogens, and they are monodentate ligands. The ligands of pseudohalide ions are very strong and they form low spin complexes. Halide ions are weak ligands and they give high spin complexes. Next comes interhalogen compounds. An interhalogen compound is a molecule which contains two or more different halogen atoms and no atoms of elements from any other group. These binary compounds have the general formula XYN, where n is an odd number 1, 3, 5 or 7. Where X represents the less electronegative halogen, which is having larger size compared to Y. Interhalogen compounds can be prepared by direct combination of the two halogens. Chlorine and fluorine in different proportions yield ClF, ClF3 and ClF5. Similarly, BRF3 and BRF5 can be prepared by taking different proportions of fluorine with bromine. Iodine combines with chlorine at low temperature to give ICl. Iodine in the presence of excess fluorine gives IF3. Higher interhalogen compounds can be prepared by the reaction between a lower interhalogen compound and free halogen. For example, ClF3 can be prepared from ClF by the reaction of ClF with fluorine. ClF5 can be prepared by the reaction of ClF3 with fluorine. BRF5 can be prepared from BRF3. IF7 can be prepared from IF5. The reaction between halogens and metal halides can also yield interhalogen compounds. KBr plus fluorine gives KF and BRF3. Similarly, silver fluoride when reacts with iodine can give IF5. Lead iodide with fluorine gives IF7. The reactions of interhalogen compounds. They react with water to give a halogen acid and an oxo acid. When ICl reacts with water, we get HCl and HIO. The hydrogen acid of smaller halogen and the oxo acid of larger halogen are formed. If we consider BRF5, the hydrolysis can yield hydrogen fluoride, that is the hydracid of lower halogen, and oxo acid of bromine, which is the larger halogen. Action with alkali. Interhalogen compounds react with alkali, giving halide ion derived from the smaller halogen and hypohalite, halite, halate or perhalate ion derived from the larger halogen. If we take ICl, it reacts with sodium hydroxide to give NaCl and NaOI, that is sodium hypohalite. And if we take BRF5, we get potassium fluoride. When BRF5 reacts with KOH, we get potassium fluoride and KBrO3, that is potassium bromate, halate ion. Here the interhalogen compound is having the formula XY5. If the formula of the interhalogen compound is XY7, we get perhalate anion of the larger halogen. Action with alkali metal halides. Interhalogen compounds react with alkali metal halides to give polyhalite ions. Example, KCl plus ICl gives ICl2 minus polyhalide ion. Interhalogen compounds undergo addition reactions with unsaturated organic compounds. The structure of some interhalogen compounds. ClF3. The ground state electronic configuration of chlorine is neon plus 3s2, 3px2, 3py2, 3pz1. In the excited state, one of the electrons in 3py orbital gets excited to 3d orbital and the configuration becomes neon plus 3s2, 3px2, 3py1, 3pz1, 3d1. And chlorine undergoes sp3 dehybridization to form 5 hybridized orbitals. Out of these 5 hybridized orbitals, 2 of them contain the lone pair of electrons and 3 half-filled orbitals overlaps with fluorine to form ClF bonds. The structure of the molecule is shown here. Considering the electron pair arrangement, the molecule has a trigonal bipyramidal shape. If we consider only the atom, the geometry of the molecule is T-shaped. Next is ICl3. The molecule is dimeric in solid state with bridging chlorine atoms. The two ICl3 units combine to form the dimer. In ICl3 dimer, the hybridization of iodine is sp3d. The molecule is planar and hence the lone pair of electrons of iodine will lie one pair above the plane and the other pair below the plane. Next is IF5. The ground state electronic configuration of iodine is krypton plus 4d10, 5s2, 5px2, 5py2, 5pz1. In excited state, 2 electrons of 5p orbitals are excited to 5d orbitals. And iodine undergoes sp3d2 hybridization to form 6 hybridized orbitals. Out of these 6 orbitals, one hybridized orbital contains the lone pair of electrons and other 5 half-filled hybridized orbitals are used for the sigma bond formation with fluorine atoms. The electron pairs are arranged in octahedral manner. If we consider the IF bonds, the molecule has a
square pyramidal shape.